In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Yahoo emails at once. If your inbox has gotten out of control, this quick walkthrough will show you how to sign in, select everything in a folder, and delete it in just a few clicks, all while staying safe and avoiding common pitfalls. Before you begin, decide whether you're clearing your main inbox or another folder because the actions we take apply to whatever folder you have open. Take a moment to identify any messages you know you'll need later so you don't remove them by accident. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Yahoo sign-in page. Always make sure you're on the real Yahoo site by checking the address bar and the padlock icon. This protects your account from phishing pages. On the sign-in screen, you may see an existing account listed. Click that to proceed, or choose to sign in with a different account if you need to use another mailbox. Enter your email address and continue. On the next screen, enter your password and sign in. Depending on your security settings, Yahoo might ask for a verification code or another confirmation step. Complete that as prompted. If you've forgotten your sign-in details, use the recovery options on the page rather than guessing, which can lock the account. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right of the Yahoo homepage and click Mail to open your inbox. When your messages load, you'll see a checkbox near the top of the message list. Click this to select all the emails currently displayed. In many cases, a banner will appear offering to select all conversations in the folder. Choose that option to make sure you're grabbing every message in the inbox, not just what's visible on the screen. If you have a large mailbox, give it a moment to finish selecting. With everything selected, click the delete button. If a confirmation appears, approve it. Your emails will move to the trash folder. That means they're removed from your inbox immediately but aren't permanently erased yet. If you deleted something by mistake, look for the brief undo prompt or visit trash to restore recent items. Otherwise, Yahoo will automatically purge trashed mail after a period of time. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open mail, select all, and delete. And if you're on a shared or public computer, protect your privacy by closing the browser when you're finished. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly clear an overstuffed Yahoo inbox.